Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Microsoft Power Apps have launched a very good feature where you can start an app at the startup. So this is what I'm gonna show you. So before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this home page of Microsoft Power Apps. Any app that you wanna open at startup, just go to the three dots, click on open at startup. So now you got warning pop-up will open when starting up. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna show you this. See, it's still opening, but you got an idea how it works. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.